Sub YouTube, Stoneheart here today eventually. Today I'm going to be showing you how to open up your iPod Touch 2nd generation. So this is it. This is my 2nd gen iPod Touch eventually. I see it's cool, my others are not.
Is a really thin screwdriver. Anyway, see, this is another screwdriver. This is thinner. So here, let me just get my iPod, just fall on the ground. Maybe. Okay, I'm back, sorry. So, here's my iPod Touch, guys. So this is all you really want to do, is take the blade, okay, put it right on the edge, take it down. I am now responsible for anything that you break on your iPod Touch eventually. Yeah. So, oopsies. Now let's do the other side. And scratch it. Here it's gonna kind of like make you stop because there's like some bumps here on the bottom. So just, yeah. After that, do this side. All the way. All the way. Okay. Now, take one screwdriver and put it like right there. And the other one, and this one right here. You might want to be careful here because there's a cable thing. So all you want to do is just take that off. As you can see, mine is ripped off. Yeah. So that's all really. And that's how you open your iPod Touch 2nd generation. So this is your screen, like LCD, something like that, LDS. The only thing the only reason I took it out, because this is why. See, like, this will not slide, and it's pissing me off. And I'm getting a new screen, like, from eBay. If you break your screen, guys, you can get one from eBay. $9, $10, that's all, really. As you can see, it's broken. Now, this is where you do not want to get any damage to your, because this is really, if you buy one, it's really hard to install. You got to take off the back, actually, or the front. I don't know, you might want to look that up on other channels. So, yeah. And when you want to put it back, there's the cable thing here. But I don't have it anymore. As you can see, there's like a black sponge, something like that. Yeah, you want to see the black sponge and connect this, like, connect this to it, like, and press it hard. Can't. I got like a glass in all my fingers from this stupid screen. Anyway, that's really all, and that's how you put it back on. So it's like, as I said, I am not responsible to get your iPod Touch damaged, anything. Yeah. So, okay, I'll see you eventually, guys, later. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe. You guys are awesome. Thank you. So, later, guys.